So, we have a walk-on today. BRZ for Basic Underglow. Saan yung basic? Basic Underglow. Lights, module, no switch kasi cost cutting sagad sa basic. Pero may 12 volt cutoff. So below 12 volts, wala nang power to. Let's see this car in 2 to 3 hours. Let's go! So, we are done. Another car on the way, but this BRZ is done for basic. So, yan yung basic. Huwag mo na i-edit, James, so they can see the actual brightness. So, basic to standard, malayo talaga siya, boys. Then, standard to version 3, medyo malayo. So, yeah, if you just wanna test Underglow or get into the Underglow game, basic's a good start at 4.5 installed, 3 months warranty. Can't complain, man. Like, it's full RGB, bro. Like, look. Wait. Mate. Full RGB. Chase modes. Complete yan. Let's do this. Run back. Oh, may mga ganyan siya, dude. So at 4.5 feature pack. Dude, hindi kayo talo dito. Go for it. Go for the basic set. If budget permits, go for the standard. If budget ultra permits and you want the flex, go for the version 3. Brightest in the market, still the best. We out. James, B-roll.